Hey friends, welcome back to Erini's Corner. Today I'm gonna share with you a crochet pattern that is a 2-row repeat, and the good thing about this pattern is that it produces a fabric with no holes or gaps, and at the same time it works up really quick, so it's very good for a fast project. So let's get started with it. So you can use any type of yarn and a corresponding hook for it. Start with a slip knot and then crochet any number of foundation chains you want to begin with. To begin row 1, skip the first stitch from the hook and start working into the next one. And we are doing a half double crochet, so yarn over, insert the hook into the stitch, pull a loop, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through all 3 at once. And we're going to repeat this throughout the first row. At the end of row 1, I'm gonna stretch the loop I have on my hook to the height of a double crochet stitch and then chain 1. Now turn the work, and into the first stitch I'm gonna do a double crochet. So yarn over, insert the hook into the first stitch, pull a loop, yarn over, go through 2 loops, and then yarn over and go through 2 loops. This is the first double crochet stitch. Next, instead of doing a regular double crochet stitch, I'm gonna insert my hook as shown in the stitch that we have just done. So we're not yarning over. We will insert the hook first into that loop and then yarn over and pull a loop. And then go into the next stitch, yarn over and pull a loop. Now we have the 3 loops for the double crochet. We yarn over and go through 2 and then yarn over and go through 2. This is called a linked double crochet stitch. We're going to repeat it again. So again, instead of doing a regular double crochet by yarning over, we're going to go into that loop first, yarn over and pull a loop, and then go into the next stitch, yarn over and pull a loop, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over and go through 2, and then yarn over and go through 2. And we're going to repeat the linked double crochet stitch throughout the current row. You can see a nice ribbing being formed as we work our rows, and the stitches have no gaps in between. I'm gonna finish this row and come back to repeat the 2 rows again with you. Here's the end of row 2. Now I'm gonna stretch the loop to the height of a half double crochet, then chain 1, and then repeat row 1 again, so a half double into each stitch throughout. At the end of row 3, stretch the current loop to the height of a double crochet stitch and chain 1, and then turn the work and start by working a regular double crochet stitch into the first stitch, and then start working your linked double crochet throughout the row. everyone, this is our 2-row repeat pattern for today. This pattern, I'm gonna be using it in my next project that I'll be sharing with you on my channel, so make sure that you subscribe and activate the bell button so you get notified once a new video is up on the channel. And if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. You can see it right now, I'm sharing the back side of the work, and this is the right side where the ribbing is. So that's it for today. I'll see you next time. Take care. Keep crocheting.